Track weather with meteorologist Ryan Matoush.
Welcome back, everyone, and good evening. After a lovely day today in the 80s, we are now in severe weather mode with lots of thunderstorms popping up across the viewing area. Here's a couple of live looks for us. First one outside of Manhattan, mostly cloudy skies in the area. A little bit further to the east, our Lawrence camera still showing plenty of sunshine. Stormy weather not in Lawrence's neck of the woods just yet, but as the evening progresses, we are sure that it will get there. Satellite and radar watching several different spots for severe weather. Notice all the lightning popping up, lots of strong updrafts being noted. Let's zoom around real quick here. First of all, we have a tornado watch in effect for a good portion of the viewing area. All counties in blue until 11 o'clock tonight, mostly along the I-70 corridor and to the north. And a couple of severe thunderstorm warnings for Marshall and Nemaha counties. We are getting reports of 2-inch hail, which is egg size. Very considerable damage being noted out there. So if you are in the vicinity, please take these warnings seriously. That is in effect until 6:30. And a new warning active for Dickinson County until 6:45 tonight. Slightly smaller hail, but still a severe thunderstorm warning heading to the northeast near Junction City and Manhattan. The weather threats for tonight, severe weather threats, mostly focused on hail and damaging wind, but we are in an environment supportive for tornadoes, and that is why we have that tornado watch active. Flooding is also at a slight risk. All right, let's run through future track here. Models indicating that these thunderstorms will continue to intensify through about the 8-9 o'clock hour tonight. Notice that big purple spot right there. Large hail likely with these thunderstorms, and our warnings continue to go off even behind me as we speak. Past midnight, models are in better agreement that another round of severe thunderstorms will be possible. Again, notice the pinks, purples, and reds out there. Severe thunderstorms, damaging wind gusts, hail, and a couple of tornadoes possible after midnight. Then 2 to 3 o'clock, these thunderstorms appear to line up well after midnight. Hopefully the severe threat is starting to diminish at this point, but we can't guarantee that just yet. Damaging wind gusts, hail, and tornado threats will continue to be an issue all the way into the early morning hours tomorrow. Right around sunrise, some morning thunderstorms will be possible. A few showers through the early morning hours, and then by the afternoon, we start to see a little bit of a clearing, and highs will be in the middle to upper 50s to kick off the 10 o'clock hour. And then as we head into the afternoon hours, where the activity should start to die down, we'll notice highs for the day in the lower to middle 60s, and then up north near Marysville, Seneca, and Hiawatha, upper 50s. So plan on a slightly cooler day than what we saw today. Upper 30s, lower 40s early Friday morning. Going to be a bit of a chilly start. And then Friday afternoon, we're watching much the same. Lower 60s for a good majority of the viewing area. Those 80s we saw today won't be back for at least a few days. Winds will also be the other problem. Straight out of the south, 50 plus miles an hour. Look at this one right here. Some models indicating we could get close to 60. Severe wind gusts will be possible with any thunderstorms developing tomorrow morning and afternoon, 30 plus miles an hour out of the northwest. It will still be rather breezy. The next few hours, thunderstorms in the area, and Mackenzie always tells me she doesn't like how this goes off the end here. I don't either, but that's what we have. Middle 70s the next couple of hours. Thunderstorms clearly the focus of our attention, some of them strong to severe. All right, our forecast for the week, 67 tomorrow. Optimistically, it could be a little bit cooler than that. Some morning thunderstorms will be possible, but activity should start to die down by about 9 or 10 o'clock in the morning at the latest. Lower 60s for our Friday, breezy in the area through Saturday. A little bit more sunshine for our weekend, but notice those 60s in the area, and then rain chances back on Monday and Tuesday. So David, Mackenzie, a very active night ahead, but a cool down behind it.
Well, you mentioned egg-size hail. I mean, that's going to do car damage and roof damage for sure.
That's huge. And the National Weather Service now has a considerable tag, which is just a point of emphasis that this hail is large.
Okay.
All right,
Wow.
thank you.
Thank you, Ryan.
Of course.
Sports is up next. Stay tuned.